Hey guys, this is a tutorial video on the Elite Coach AI Telegram chatbot. When you log in for the very first time, it's going to give you some questions for you to go through. And when you go through them, like it says here, what do you want to do with the Elite Coach AI? Gives you learn all skills, get an internship, build a job ready portfolio, and all of the above. So I just selected all of the above, and then we'll proceed to the next step, right? So after clicking on all of the above, I'm typing what information do you need from me so that I know what's the next step. Right? Or you could just type in hi, but this is me just going through the procedures. So you could type in hi and it will give you the next step. But I just went with what information do you need. Right. So now I am giving it my full name, which is Elite Global AI, right? And waiting for its next response. Okay, so it here we see that it took the goals as my career goals as all of the above, and then the field that I want to go into as AI, right? So it had a little error there, but here's something else we can do. Right, so we can just say my name is Elite Global. Right, let me try that out. My name is Elite Global, and full stop. I'm going to send that in and get its response for that. So seeing this now, so it's has finally captured the name as Elite Global, and then we have two other questions remaining. So you can fill this up step by step, but you can also fill it up all at once, right? This is on Telegram, so you can download it on your phone, you can download it on your PC. I'm using a PC right now, and you can start using the tool directly from your phone or your laptop. Okay, so I'm going to answer both questions immediately, which is what is your email address? I came up with a phony email address, and then are you a student, graduate, or business owner? I put in a business owner. Okay, so now it's going to take in those two information directly and give me this next step, which is type continue to learn more about referrals or skip to start using all the features now. So definitely skip. And so it says, welcome aboard. You're all set up to begin your AI career, and yada, yada, yada. Right. So when you start using the tool for the first time, you're going to see all these messages as well. You can read through them to get information of what you need. Right. So I'm going to go straight into prompting the AI to get some responses. So first off, let's say I want to learn about using AI for trading, right? How do I use AI to boost my trading as a forex trader, as a crypto trader, as a stock market analyst or stock market trader? How can I use AI to boost my trading? All right, so now it's going to give me some responses, and I'm going to go through them and give you guys a heads up. So here's the response now. Using AI for trading or financial markets involves integrating AI tools to analyze market data, automate strategies, and so on and so forth. Right. So gave us all of that and even gave us a helpful resource, which is a YouTube video that we can go into. So I'm going to click on menu here and show you guys about our referral programs. So clicking on menu, clicking on referral program, click on get view my referrals. You're going to see that I have zero total referrals, zero completed referrals, zero pending referrals. So everything is zero right now. And click on menu again, click on curriculum. It's going to show you how many courses or how many curriculum we have in Elite Global, right? So we have more than 50 plus different courses available that you can take for this course, right? So we see AI in digital marketing, AI content creation, AI for animations, AI in business analysis, AI in virtual assistants, AI in production, how to 10x productivity with AI. Let me highlight some for you. So there's AI tools for traders. So this is why I could ask it to give me some how to use AI for trading just now, and it was able to answer because it has a full course, a full curriculum on AI tools for traders, and then another course for AI for trading crypto, forex, and stocks. All right, so you can use this AI chatbot to ask about anything that we currently offer on our curriculum, on our courses, on our website, right? And I think we passed the website link some time ago. Okay, here we go. So you can click on this link here from the very first introduction, you can click on this link here to get to our internship platform to start learning about how to register for these courses, how to start taking these courses. At the end of these courses, you're going to have some quizzes and then a certification at the end. So just click on this link and it will take you directly to the internship platform, the internship website. Okay. So let me just quickly show you one more thing that I forgot to introduce earlier. It's about the referral program. So just click on menu, click on referral program, click on get referral code, and your referral code will be sent directly to you here. So with this referral code, you can refer your friends, your family, your enemies, your loved ones, anyone at all. Just send the link to them and they'll be able to get access to this AI Elite Global Telegram chatbot as well. All right, guys. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.